Meet the hero who saved an eagle in distress. My son's bravery and compassion shone bright when he came across an eagle with a broken wing, struggling to escape a flock of crows. With quick thinking, we carefully approached the eagle and gently captured it, rescuing it from the snapping beaks of the crows. As the crows flew overhead, my son cradled the eagle in his hands, protecting it from the further harm. He then offered it food, providing nourishment and care to the injured bird. Witness the incredible story of a young hero who made a difference in the life of a majestic eagle.